Now to test this, I will again delete the database, since we're now adding a new table. And then I will run this server again. And then here, I'll start by creating a new user, because we need that user in order to do anything. With that user created, we then should log in with the correct credentials, of course, so that we got a token. And then we can create a new event with that token. So here I'll use that dummy data, use my token, so that we have that event with ID 1. Now I could register with the same user because we haven't added any code that would prevent this, but here I'll actually create another user now. So test2 at example in my case. And with that user created, I'll then log in with that user so that I got a token for that user. So that's now a different user, not the user which I used for creating the event. And now I'll add a new register HTTP file here, where I send a post request to localhost 8080, and then /events, then some ID. In this case, it was the event with ID 1 that was created, /register, and then with that token, authorization, and then the token. And this is now the token of that second user I created. Now we don't need to add any other data. Instead, this should now work. Though it doesn't really look like it. I got a 200 status code, but I'm not seeing my message that I set up before. This registered message, which I'd like to see. And besides that, the status code should have been 201, not 200. So something seems to be off here. And of course the problem is that I forgot to register my new request handler function for this route. So here we should of course register for event as a function that's being called if a request reaches this route. So with that done, if we now save this and I try this again, same event, same token, this is looking better. I got the 201 code and this registered message. And if I would delete one character from that token, it would be an invalid token, and as expected, I therefore get not authorized. So that works, and with that, we can now complete this demo REST API by making sure that we can also cancel registrations.